Oluwaseyi Edun produce this.
Forolagba, Forolagba. I see Forolagba of Yoruba land don't come again, no. I don't come with my palava, I don't come with my laughter. Apanilerin ti gbé, ha! Laugh away your sorrow, ha! Laugh away your sorrow, Forolagba. Laugh away your sorrow, mommy and daddy. Laugh away your sorrow, brothers and sisters. With Forolagba, laugh away your sorrow, Forolagba. Laugh away your sorrow, ha! It's for children, it's for daddy, it's for mommy.
Owó láṣọ oge, ọ̀rọ̀ ni owó láṣọ oge. Forolagba bí o sówó fàárí ò sí owó láṣọ oge.
70 years old man.
Ọmọ, I hold, I no do fashion again. Na money no dey that person and money na handsome man. Ọ̀túnba. See, slippers. See as you are sleeping like these slippers. Are you playing? Nigeria condition.
Continue.
Nigeria condition. Nigeria go better as they are saying. I come here to greet you. Don't give me something. Did I come out to? Did I come to Barber? No, I come here to play. Tell me, far for me. May you do a give away for me.
Forolagba.
Not be juju be that.
I'm only be beauty.
Are you playing?
You never wake up. Which one is this one? You are still sleepers. Child. See you. You don't know Jorulo. Make it drum. Make I be like 16 years. Make I be like.
It's not you.
I don't make I be like this. Understand?
Things say they wise.
You want make they ask say na who be the barber? Make I tell them say na Otumba o. Dem kuku know say na me be my barber before. Yeah, problem. You go know say problem go dey. If you no do am wella, make that my babe make dem fall with the thing. Fall, clear road, fall. Dem go gree. Dem no go gree. Do am well, make dem dey know. Make dem dey ask me say na America I go.
Sorry.
From Nigeria go dey go America. Yeah, well, you know say wahala go dey. Let me go outside. Make I know they see all those fine girls dey fall like this. Make dem dey fall, clear road, fall, clear road. Man.
No.
See Forolagba tell say I dey sleep. Maybe he don't sleep, so they call me sleepers. Maybe these sleepers ain't dey sleep. My sleepers.
You think say they wise? Sorry.
Forolagba, 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 Forolagba.
I can't have no people pass this on last seven. Because my alarm young like 60 years old. I will give her 5 years.
Share this on a night. I survived and finished.
I dey work since Forolagba dey sleep. No wahala now. Wait till we go wake you up to give you auto.
Why you clear everything? I tell you to clear all my hair. Eh? Normal skin. Hey, you skin and I don't be the one where you say you clear here, be normal skin. Normal skin.
Everything.
You be moving.
Yeah, make I touch it. Touch your hair too. So now do my drink since. But you, the thing still there now. But you, for my dream, you just be skin that they call and where you clear every year. So the because I abuse you, say you be sleep at that time. Now you go use sleeping juju for me.
No.
So that you be babalawo.
Forolagba, 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 Forolagba.
You are welcome back again, guys. As you know, I am Oluwaseyi Edun, Lord Star, King of Action, the beacon of possibility, the creative guy, the mentor of multiple streams, source of income, authority, the legend. Yeah, this is Oluwaseyi Edun Academy. At Oluwaseyi Edun Academy, we have a wide range of online courses to teach people about how to make money. Evidently, I am a mentor. I can teach you how to make money online legitimately without stressing yourself. For you, solving, searching how to make money, you fall on repass. Definitely, there is 100% chance for you to lose your money. But when you have a mentor, your mentor will just lead you straight, give you the necessary strategies to use to start making money as fast as possible. What are you waiting for? You can contact me. You are free to DM me. I am free. I even respond to messages directly. Nobody will respond to you if it is not me. So definitely you are at the right way. Okay, if you are like, how do you make money online? Okay, you want me to tell you, you can make money online in so many places, with so many ways. You understand? You can make money by being a content creator. Yeah, I teach content creator and I will make you be earning with monetization. That is one. You can make money online by bringing your products into online space to reach millions of people. Do you know all over the world are online? They are online. All over the world are online. Definitely you can bring your products, business, services into online presence. If you know the strategies, if you know the way to reach people directly, definitely you are in the space of making money fast. Secondly, you can be an affiliate marketer. By being an affiliate marketer, you have access to several products. What kind of products? Ready-made products of people that you resell. Then you make a commission as a revenue. There are some products that they offer from 5% commission 10% commission, 15% commission, 20% commission, 30% commission, 40% commission. There are some products that offer 50% to 90% commission. Your own is just to make a sales, then you can even earn more than them. Like me now, my products to my affiliate marketers, I share it 50-50. You make 50% by recommending my own product to people. Definitely, let me use an example. If a product is 30,000 naira, then you make a sale, you have down, make half of it. 30,000 naira is your own, that is 15,000 naira. You can see. So don't dull it. You can be a designer. You can be a freelancer by offering services to people. If you know how to develop websites, if you know how to design, anything that you know, if it is okay, if someone wants to register their business online, you know about it. Any kind of things, you can use it to make money. What I even ask people, if people come to me, how can we make money? Oluwaseyi, how can we make money? My first question is, and that's what I will ask you. My first question is, what do you know how to do most? Like your hobby, your interest, your profession, your activities, any kind of things you know how to do. Don't dull it. Reach out to me. I will show you a way. No matter what, any kind of things. Once it is legitimate, it's not that you want to make fraud. Definitely, you make money. What you know how to do, go. Tell me, I will show you how to make money with it. Tell me, I will show you how to make money with it. You can see the sign. Let's go.
Forolagba, apanilẹ́rìn ti dé. Forolagba, 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 why you dey do lagba? Forolagba, why you dey do lagba? You don come with your palava. Forolagba, why you dey do lagba? You don come to dey trouble everybody. Forolagba, why you dey do lagba? Na agbalagba you dey be so. Forolagba, why you dey do lagba? Na you for here, na you for there. You dey scatter everywhere like yam pepper scatter. You no get sense and you get, e no correct. Lagba.